Hello students, myself Dr. Anupreeta Mishra and you are watching Anupreeta Mishra's Electrical Engineering. Today I am answering a question that why power generation is done at 50 Hz, either at 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Out of these two choices, India has chosen 50 Hz and America as well as Japan or any other few parts of Asian countries have chosen 60 Hz. But as our country was British colony earlier, so Britishers are against to Americans, that's why they have chosen 50 Hz. But the choice was there only of two values, either 50 Hz or 60 Hz. So I am going to answer this question, why 50 Hz and why 60 Hz, not other than this. Uh, Prior to this, I have solved a question. There I have taken 40 Hertz frequency, but that was the example of industry application. So there we can utilize a generator which can give you the output of 40 Hertz, but still it is okay. If we are talking about the generating station, so we have only the option of 50 Hertz in India and few countries out of India 60 Hertz. Other than India, other countries like European countries have also adopted 50 Hertz choice, and few Asian countries are also generating power at 50 Hertz. But the reason for our country is this one. As well as if we utilize 60 Hertz, then the power losses will be more. So with respect to power losses, 50 Hertz choice was good. That is there. Now let's answer this particular question. A generating station is having this particular sequence of operations. Boiler is there, turbine is there, and alternator is there. Boiler is burning coal and transforming water into steam. This steam is being thrown through the jet over the turbine's blades, and turbine starts to rotate and gives or generate n rpm speed. This rotational speed is given to the rotor of the alternator. Rotor starts as soon as rotor starts to rotate, so alternator would have three-phase AC power across its terminals, across the armature windings terminal. So this way the generation of power is there. Instead of boiler, we can utilize heat generating device at nuclear power generating station also. That is also giving the heat, and that heat transforms water into steam. So there coal is not there and boiler is also not there, but some other heat generating device is there. At hydropower stations, instead of this, we would be having dam, and through the dam, water with high pressure has been thrown over the blades of the turbine, and again it gives the rotational speed. So the same thing is happening, but with the power of water, or in case of steam generating station, rotation of turbine occurs with the power of steam actually. But as this particular cascaded system is working, so we need to have highest frequency of the system, but that frequency is no longer more than 16% or 17% beta. We need to increase it, but still we are not able to do it. This 16% efficiency, overall efficiency, is nothing but the multiplication of all the cascaded systems efficiency. Boiler is having lowest efficiency, turbine is having moderate, and alternator is having the highest frequency. Alternator is having the highest efficiency. Now here, as we need to answer the question of 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz, so that is totally dependent on the turbine's efficiency. And whatsoever turbines were manufactured, those turbines are giving highest frequency either at 3000 rpm or at 3600 rpm. Steam turbines are there, different steam turbines and different hydro turbines are there, but the overall conclusion was this, that either 3000 rpm or 3600 rpm rotation of turbine gives the highest efficiency of the turbine. So we adopted it. So with this 3000 rpm as well as with 3600 rpm, number of poles should be less so that higher speed can be achieved. So in this particular formula, if n is equal to 120 f by p, so I'll keeping p at smallest level, so it is only 2. So keeping p is equal to 2 and n either at 3000 or 3600, we will be getting either 50 hertz or 60 hertz frequency. So only the option of 60 hertz power generation or 50 hertz power generation was there because of the turbines efficiency, I should say, turbines maximum efficiency. So this is the entire reason why there are only two choices for the power generation of frequency. Those are 50 hertz and 60 hertz. And because of political reasons, India has chosen 50 hertz. Even related to power losses, to reduce the power losses, India has chosen 50 hertz. Someday, if I need to explain you the reason behind 50 hertz choice by the Indian government, so I'll be letting you know through my different separate video over this particular topic. So hoping that today you have liked my way of teaching and the conceptual discussion related to this particular answer. So please do like my video, as well as try to subscribe my channel, as well as suggest your friends also to subscribe my channel. Thank you.